We're looking at the Blink Outdoor 4, a wireless smart security camera designed to keep your home protected day and night. It offers clear HD video, motion detection, and long battery life, giving you reliable outdoor security with easy app control from anywhere. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Blink Outdoor 4 security camera, Sync Module 2, mounting kit, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, USB cable, and user manual. How to pair. To set up the Blink Outdoor 4, first install the Blink Home Monitor app and add a compatible Sync Module 2. Then insert the included lithium batteries, open the app, select Add Device, scan the QR code, and follow the on-screen steps to complete pairing. You can also choose your preferred network mode, and you have the option to customize the camera name for easier identification in the app. Installation. After setting up the Blink Outdoor 4, mount it using the bracket and screws, then attach the camera and lock it into place. Position it for a clear view with a strong Wi-Fi connection and a good sync module signal. Adjust the angle and customize motion settings, notifications, and Alexa integration through the app. Smart features? Delivers sharp and clear full HD footage for both live view and recorded clips. It helps capture important details like faces, movement, and activity during day or night. Uses smart detection to identify human movement and reduce false alerts from things like animals or trees. Sends instant notifications only when a person is detected for more relevant security updates. Powered by 2 AA lithium batteries designed for long-lasting use with minimal maintenance. Can deliver up to 2 years of performance on default settings, depending on motion activity and usage. Captures a broader area so you can monitor more of your surroundings with a single camera. Helps reduce blind spots, giving better coverage of driveways, yards, and entry points. Control the camera easily through the Blink Home Monitor app to view live feed, adjust settings, and receive instant alerts. Works with Alexa for voice commands, live view on Echo devices, motion announcements, and smart home automation. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Blink Outdoor 4 security camera from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Blink Outdoor 4 security camera. See you at the next one.